Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. We got to do a long overdue sticker video. I got some stickers from Mr. John over at Davidson's All Natural Gym. Y'all got to go check his channel out. Boom! There's the stickers. I love them stickers. It's pretty cool. He's got an awesome little setup over there on his channel. He does a lot of homesteaded cattle ranching. You know, he works hard, and he's got him an awesome little sawmill setup going on. And my goodness, I'd get in trouble if I had that. They'd be done called the city on me. I'd have too many piles of wood stacked up everywhere. But thank you so much for all the support, John. I greatly appreciate it. And y'all go check out his channel. I will leave a link for it in my description. And then again, all these awesome channels we have in here, y'all got to go check them out. But let's switch cameras real quick, y'all. And we'll put this thing up on the wall. That one. There we go. Whoop, there we go. Messy box. Messy box is a working box. And I'm getting lower on my wall here. We're getting down. It's all filled in right here. I have the sides, but what I'm gonna do, I feel, is I'm gonna bring it on down to the bottom. I'll move stuff out of the way and clean the box up. But I'll be rebuilding my box and everything, and when I do, I'll separate it and keep this back wall and incorporate that into my new sticker wall when I get it going. But for in the meantime, we're gonna fill it up right here, and then if we get this full before we have everything set up, then we'll just have to do sticker videos a little differently. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then it's a mess. I know you can't see my wall as cleanly as you normally could, but all these channels will be in the description. You have to go give everybody a like, a subscribe, give them a comment. You know, that's the key thing. Whenever you go and sub to a new channel, y'all go in there to the comments and give them a little thumbs up or something. You don't have to write a bunch of stuff. Just give them a little smiley face emoji or something like that in the comment. That helps those subscriptions stick. Most of the time, YouTube will think you're a bot if you don't do any of that kind of stuff. But, I tell y'all, I struggle so badly with separating these stickers. And we'll end up pausing and editing all this out. Fire feeds the soul, ink in the wood grain, carving out whole, lost in creation, feeling fully whole. Epoxy drips clean, blocks the vibe and time. I just can't never see. There we go. Just separate it. I think I got it separating. Yeah. Wowzers. Alright. That was a workout. Alright, we're gonna put it right here. Like I said, once we fill this up, we'll be redoing our wall. Hopefully we'll have our box and all redone before then. There we go, that's good. Alright, y'all. Yeah, maybe later. Hit the wrong button there. Yeah. There we go. Bam. Alright, y'all go check John's channel out. Pretty stuff, but y'all go check John's channel out. Some pretty cool stuff on there. I love watching him mill up that wood, because it's like he's his trash pile or burn pile, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I just see pin blanks and roach clip blanks for days. That's what I said. I'd have wood stacked up everywhere. But alright, y'all go check out all these awesome channels. Everybody, y'all have a great day. Stay awesome, stay laid back, and remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody.